Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Abyss World game crashing or not working, not loading, lagging, freezing, not launching, keep stopping or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Abyss World, and after that, here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, now launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If you still face the same issue, then you can install a VPN app to access the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it, and after installing it, log into it, change the location and then try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that go back and log into the game and check. Next is to check your storage space. So make sure your phone has enough storage space to install the game. So for that, go to settings, and after that, here you have to click on RAM and storage. So the process may differ from phone to phone. You simply have to check if there is less space or so. If yes, there you have to delete some unused apps or games or content, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Abyss World game and finally click on the install option. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.